Hi everyone, I'm John from Generatron Sembilan Berhad, Malaysia. Today, I would like to present the product info of Teledyne Lecroy SATA Protocol Analyzer. Under SATA 6G Protocol Test System, we have three available models: M61, M62, M64. SATA, also called as SATA, is a data transfer technology designed to move data to and from storage devices such as disk driver, ADB driver, host bus adapter, and port multiplier. SATA is a serial enhancement and replacement to parallel IDE. SATA is a full duplex protocol. There is a continual flow of signal from each device moving down the bus. The device and host are transmitted and receiving at the same time. This is a picture for the SATA connector and also the SAS connector. SATA division has been developed from division 1, 1.5 GB per second, division 2, 3 GB per second, division 3, 6 GB per second. Let's go through the feature of SATA M6 series. In the high-speed serial data analysis, the SATA provided the most accurate capture, display, and analysis of both SAS and SATA data traffic at data rate up to 6 GB per second. The SATA product family including the capability of protocol analysis, traffic generation, host or device simulation, and jamming all within one system. Native bind for fast lock system. This feature enables better capture performance during speed negotiation and power management phase and improve response time with the comprehensive design suite such as SDS and CAT-C trace software. The analyzer software offers an GUI combined easy setup with flexible data analysis display such as easy mode triggering, hardware filtering, automatic error detection. Comprehensive decoding of SAS and SATA data traffic allows development, testing, debugging, and validation at every level of development. The serial system provides multiple ways to view your data. Logical and chronological traffic display enable users to sort through issues quickly and identify and solve problems. Statistical reporting provide event and error counter, as well as performance metrics that give users a snapshot into capture trace and rapid access to items of interest. Long trace memory up to 16 GB. All serial M6 systems come standard with both GBE and USB 2.0 interface port for maximum facility in connecting to the host machine running the analysis. All SATA M6 system able to cascade up to 8 analyzers. The jammer feature been allowed engineers to verify error recovery characteristics of their design. M61 product is an ultra-portable single-port system which available function as a protocol analyzer or as a jammer. It's capable of operating at 1.5, 3, and 6 GB per second SAS or SATA. It is equivalent with 2 GB or 4 GB of recording memory. M61 can be linked together in the cascade configuration up to 8 systems to provide additional recording channel capacity. The cascade configuration also can use in tandem to combine simulation, jamming, and trace capture, which at least one M6-1 is licensed as a protocol analyzer and the other one as a jammer model. M6-1 is not capable to perform the compliance test. SATA M6-2 providing an economical choice when a 1 or 2 port system is sufficient. Serial M6-4 providing expansion capability up to 4 ports and providing all data, passport, control and connector on the front panel, making it ideal for a lab workbench environment. Both units can be cascaded by linking up to 8 separated and closer together to provide time synchronizers, data capturing and analyzers, as many as 32 ports on M6-4. Both M6-2 and -4 are capable to perform the compliance test to ensure the interoperability. The Teledyne Lecroy SATA compliance suite is approved by the SATA I/O. Here is some description of the front panel for SATA M6-1, SATA M6-2, and SATA M6-4. The SATA array of status indicator including the information on negotiating link speed, protocol error detection, link detection, and whether OOB or protocol frame are currently being sent over the link. To identify the speed being running under the protocol analyzer, we can just observe the initiator and target LED. When both is turning on, mean that the 6 GB per second is running on SATA 3. LCD screen report which user is currently connected to the SATA system, the system IP address, and the system status. In SATA M6-2 and SATA M6-4, there are expansion ports that able to support on cascading of multiple units, DC power for dark, and so on. So how the hardware been set up? Initiator is the ones that connected to the host system, while target is connected to the end device. Now we open the software. Yeah, Teledyne requires SATA Pocket Suite. Go for help, and then we are looking for the version is on the 5.4. So you can go for new protocol analyzer. This is a capturing setting, and there's a project 3 that shows that what is the setting you are currently right now in. So you have a trigger tab, you have a don't care, snapshot, all the things. You can manually trigger, you can set your pattern and infusion. And yeah, there's some setting that you can play around with your memory. Okay, this is a port configuration that show that what is the simulation that right now we are at. Yes, click it. So for this case, we will open one sample. Let's say identify device. Under the identify device, we can see there's a protocol error, and also that we can do a spreadsheet view. It will be so easily you to identify the error coming from. So the cursor here is a T, and you can marking at a response time. So you can see the SMY response time is about 480 nanosecond, and you can just scroll down to look for the protocol error and point at it, and then you can right click to show the error of the code, and it will be stopped at this 2.26 error code from host to device register. And you can show the column view as well. Yeah. When it's a start of frame, hold on, so end of frame. Okay. Anytime if you would like to change the last time CAT-C navigation view, you can just change this easily by the button up. And under this protocol So SATA, you can able to decode to 8-bit or whether it decode to the 10-bit. As summary, Teledyne Lecroy protocol analyzer tools are designed from the ground up to address this unique characteristic of SATA. Teledyne Lecroy provide everything needed for SATA analysis, including real-time hardware triggering and filtering on the critical component of SATA traffic. Teledyne Lecroy expert analysis software simplifying the overall debug process by using collapsible color-coded package to represent command, fields, and primitive. This feature allows engineers to rapidly become familiar with SATA-specific issue and quickly understand the new issue. Thanks for today to viewing my slide, and feel free to contact me as John K from Generatron Sembilan Berhad. Thank you.